Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher, Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, our topic is resistance in parallel combination. In previous classes, I also discussed the resistance in series and parallel combination, and today also I discuss of the topic of resistance in parallel combination. When more than one resistance are connect in parallelly and find out of that resistance, that combination of resistance are said to parallel combination of resistance. So taken three resistance R1, R2 and R3 are taken, and potential difference V is from end A positive end and B another end is negative end. R1, R2 and R3 three resistance are connect in parallel. So that is I current passes through of these resistance to the point of A point to B point, that is A positive point and B is negative point, and that is the potential difference B from point A and point B. And total resistance R1, R2, R3 is parallelly taken, that is RP. P is denoted of parallel and S4 denoted is RS means series. RP is parallel, resistance in parallel, and that is passes through the current of I and end A to B, that is positive and negative, and A and B end, that is potential difference is B. So that is parallel combination of these resistance R1, R2, R3. It is I divided in three parts, I1, I2 and I3. In three current I is passes in all in three resistance. I1 in the form divide in the I1, I2 and I3. Then I1, I2, I3, that is I1, I2 and I3 are finally come together, that is form in I. So that in A and B, that is potential difference is B of these resistance. So find of these circuit R1, R2, 3 are in parallel. So that is RP parallel connection. So combination of current, that is the in algebraic sum of all current. So that is formation of I is equal to I1, I2, I3. That is the current formation that is passes through I and divided into three part I1, I2 and I3, and that is to algebraic sum I1, I2 and I3. So that is algebraic sum of current, because current is a scalar quantity, but in magnitude and direction are also, but it is not vector sum. It in this current in the form of algebraic sum, so it is said to the scalar quantity, but in magnitude and direction both are available, but it is said to a scalar quantity because not follow the vector sum, it is follow the algebraic sum. So that is current is the scalar quantity. So I1 is equal to V by R1 in particular of that resistance. I1 is equal to V by R1, that is formed from Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R from Ohm's law. Ohm's law taken, V is equal to IR, so I is equal to V by R. So that formula taken to this, that is I1 is equal to particular separate I1 taken V by R1 and I2 taken V by R2, I3 taken V by R3, and that total, that is the another total resistance of this, that is RP parallel combination, that is passes through the current I, one end A and another end B, and potential difference that is B. So I is equal to V by RP through the Ohm's law. That is formation taken V by RP, that is I1, I is equal to taken I is equal to V by RP, and I1 is equal to V by R1, and I2 is equal to V by R2, and I3 is equal to V by R3, that is this and this and this 3, and all are sum. V by RP is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, that is V is taken outside, that is so of this V is taken outside, V 1 by RP and V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and 1 by R3. So V cancel out, 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and 1 by R3, that is resistance are in parallel combination. Now taken resistance are in series combination. So these types of formation, series combination, that is taken R1, R2 and that is taken R3, that is in B, that is in A, that is positive, that is negative. R series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, but that resistance are in parallel, that is taken parallel A and B, R1, R2, R3, then R parallel, 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So that is parallel and that is in series combination. If given some numerical of these types, if you taken, that is resistance are in R1 5 ohm, taken R2 6 ohm, that is taken R3 is equal to 7 ohm. Find out the total resistance, that is find out the total resistance. So that resistance A and B and that resistance find out, that is R series R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that is 5 plus 5 ohm plus 6 ohm plus 7 ohm, that is 18 ohm. But these resistance if are in series combination, so that is taken R1, that is taken R2, another is taken R3. Of these resistance taken, that is current I R1 5 ohm, R2 6 ohm and R3 7 ohm. In that resistance R parallel is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So that is 1 by 5 ohm plus 1 by 6 ohm plus 1 by 7 ohm. Then taken LCM and 210 ohm, that is 42 ohm, 35 ohm, that is 30 ohm. All are added. So that is 1 by RP is equal to 107 ohm by 107 by 210 ohm. So RP is equal to 210 by 107 ohm. So R series and RP are point of these types. Okay, thank you.